All right, here comes the next item. This is the next question you must ask before selling your home. How long will it take to sell my home? And it varies throughout the year, but on average, a house takes between 55 and 70 days to sell. This will depend on the season, the market conditions in your area. If it's a seller's market, for instance, are we in low inventory and high demand? So it could depend on the market. It also could depend on the condition of your home and whether you have a fast cash buyer or whether it's someone who needs time to process their mortgage loan. So lots of variables here. But most houses will sell within 2 weeks of setting the right price. So be very aggressive with adjusting your price every 2 weeks like clockwork. Now, I have an honest question here, and I'd like you to drop a comment below. If you were to put your house on the market, would you be willing to drop the price every 2 weeks until it sells? Or would you be more likely to set the price you want and hold it right there? Leave me a comment. All right, let's move on to the next item.